That's Mani out here creating the fire for roasting delicious fish. And the fish pair enanga? Fish
பேர் வந்து சாலா
Sala.
சாலா கெண்டை
Sala can
கெண்டை
Sala Kandai. Sala
சாலா
Kandai.
is different and கெண்டை is different.
Sala and Kandai. Two different species have been getting roasted by Mani. Mani is our host here today from the local village. He was the one who took us for all the boat rides and introduced her to the ways of life of at Phuliket here with the fishermen. And Naveen is in awe. Naveen is just, Nirmal is in awe with the whole thing. He's just having a real high with the whole thing today. Amazing, huh? How's it, man? Just tell me about how do you feel today?
It's really a different kind of life going on over here.
Mm-hmm.
And things here are so different. Cooking fishes without no spices etc. It's too natural, the whole kind of way. And you can see it over there.
Okay, I don't eat non-veg, so
Don't look at that.
This is all for.
Hey man, it's really amazing. I want to feel that it's something different, right?
Yeah.
I just want to experience that thing. I'm gonna experience this for the first time.
Wow.
I have been here.
Why don't you sit near the fire? Let me take you with the fire.
Oh.
Just sit around and I'll be able to take a picture of you and Mani. That's Nirmal. He's on the. Don't be on that side. Don't be on that side. Kaat andha pakkam irukku. Indha pakkam va. Ivru Mani sir pakkathile ukanduko. This is really cool. Really cool.
Man, I don't know how I'm going to eat that.
Salt போட்டுக்கலாம்லங்க. உப்பு இருக்குமா?
அருமையா இருக்கும்.
உப்பு கொஞ்சம் போட்டீங்கன்னா நல்லா
பாருங்க.
நான் ஏன் சாப்பிடுறேன்? நான் தொட மாட்டேன்.
Just give your taste.
Don't tempt me.
Hey, come on.
No. I don't want to try any of those things. I will not eat flesh.
Oh, you feel like killing something?
No. Not because of that. I know I won't like it. That is why I'm not doing it. I'm pretty clear about that. Mutta egg is.
My girlfriend don't like that.
Hmm?
My girlfriend don't like that.
Right. Nirmal feeding the fire to roast it.
காஞ்சி போனதுல கொளுத்தியும்.
Really roasting the fish. Delicious. Mani has promised that it will be the most delicious thing you have ever eaten.
Do you think so?
I don't know anything about that, man. I'm just gassing here.
தண்ணி நோடு பிளாஸ்டிக்ல அது ஒரு மண்ணுக்குதான் மரத்துல ஏறி போகுது.
Yeah. They're trying to control the fire now so that the plant doesn't start catching fire. இல்ல ரொம்ப போடாதீங்க. Mani is an expert in doing all this. Okay. Careful. அந்த பக்கமா போட்டுட்டேங்க. இந்த பக்கம் போடாதீங்க. சக்கரை இருக்கிற இடத்துல தான் எறும்பு போகும். ஃபியூவல் இருக்கிற இடத்துல தான் நெருப்பு போகும். டைலாக் பத்தியா? என்னக்கா? சக்கரை இருக்கிற இடத்துல தான் எறும்பு போகும். ஃபியூவல் இருக்கிற இடத்துல தான் சக்கரை. அதை எடுத்துருங்க அப்படி. குச்சி வச்சுக்கோங்க. குச்சி வச்சு தள்ளி விடுங்க. நல்லா பெரிய. இருங்க